The Miss Audrey store kindly gifted me this pipe cleaners craft kit, and I had so much fun making this festive Christmas tree with it. Everything came beautifully packaged, and the presentation was so nice right out of the box. The quality of everything is fantastic. The pipe cleaners are super fluffy, soft, and perfectly straight, which makes them really easy to work with, and the pom-poms and decorative pieces are so cute. To make the tree, I started by rolling a piece of cardstock into a cone shape and then super gluing it together and trimming off the excess. Then I cut each pipe cleaner into 4 pieces and folded them in half. I used my hot glue gun to attach them around the cardstock, creating that full, fluffy tree shape. For the trunk, I rolled another piece of cardstock and glued it together, and then wrapped brown pipe cleaners around it before gluing it to the little wood round base. Then came my favorite part, the decorating. I added colorful pom-poms, sparkly snowflakes, and other cute decorative pieces all over the tree. To finish it off, I twisted a gold pipe cleaner into a star and added a little ribbon on the top, and it turned out so cute. Plus, there's still a ton left over to do more projects. This craft kit made the whole process simple and fun, and I love how it looks displayed on my shelf for Christmas time. It's such a great hands-on project for getting creative and festive during the holidays. I definitely recommend trying it.